Hello and welcome. You are back with Farrier Life, and we are about to trim Snow, the Friesian, which is quite an ironic name seeing as he's jet black. Right, let's put him at the stable, see what condition his feet are in, and go from there. See you soon. Right, here we go. Let the dog see the rabbit. Come on, Snow. Let's be having you, big boy. Oh, no. Oh, it's not. Oh, big old boy, isn't you? Look at him. Beautiful horse. My favourite type of horse, Friesians. Not my favourite type of horse to work on though, because they are heavy. Right, so look at his feet. Not too bad. He's obviously barefoot. Just quite a bit of riding with him. But he copes quite well. Right, let's grab the tools and let's go. Come on, Snow. Clear all the mud out. Find my knives. And yes, for you keen-eyed viewers, I do have new chaps. I treated myself. I thought I'd go all out there. And I do apologise if you think I'm heavy breathing. I'm actually not. I'm breathing normally, but everybody always says I sound like Darth Vader. So I do apologise. Right, clean up them frogs. You never want to go too mad when trimming a barefoot horse. It does quite a lot of work. All I'm simply going to do is pull back his toes, make sure he's balanced up, and leave all the sole in. Just trim up the bars here. Amateur, absolute amateur. Come on. Look at all this mud. It's that time of year. Bring back the summer, please. Honestly. I'm a summer baby. Don't you know? Right, I'll just check the medial lateral balance. Slightly higher on the outside. Put that back down. Lovely. Right, where's the foot stand? That one, Snow Ziff. Good boy. Oh, I do like a sharp rasp. Nothing better. Shame they don't last that long though. 4 days maybe. Whee. Beautiful. Huh? Tidy. Lovely. What do you reckon, mate? Yeah, it's pretty good, isn't it? It's pretty good. Alright. Just move over a little bit. I'm not sure why they actually build stables with a 6 foot bit of concrete, because it's never big enough. You know, what is the Shetland ponies? Alright. Clear all that out. farming knives. Ahoy, look what we got here. Cheeky little ergot trim. Because who doesn't like an ergot trim? Chestnut trim. Wallop. Right. Pull back his toes. Snow, what are you doing? Just take down the bars a little bit, give them a bit of strength. You don't want to leave them too long, they'll just fold over. Oosh. Medial lateral check. Lovely jubbly. Just bevel it round. Prevent all the chipping. Oh, this foot is absolutely caked in mud still. Oh boy. I've actually trimmed Snow his whole life, ever since he was a foal. I don't even know how old he is now, he must be about 10. Now he's a real boy. Right, next one. Good boy, Snow. Whiten the mud off. Actually, I think she picked the feet up before he came in. Well done, Nick. Well done. Right. Oi, oi. Chestnut trim, wallop, ergot trim. Completed it, mate. These bloody chaps. New chaps. Foot result, they give you an extra pocket, they give you 3 pockets now. But the lower ones, they leave a gap so it doesn't fill up with hoof and rubbish. But now you nice slip all the way down to the bottom. It's a nightmare to get them out. Solve one problem, create another. Away from the white line, make sure there's nothing in there. Sculpt these bars a little bit. Oi oi, is that rain I can feel? Great. Just what I wanted. Let's check our mills. Look on the inside. Oh hey, you see that? Come on. Beautiful. How's no? Good boy. Just get rid of that little flare that's there. Try and keep him nice and symmetrical. There's not much on this side. Bevel it round, prevent it from chipping it up. On to the next. Yeah, I definitely sound like a Darth Vader now. I am panting. Oh, I've got to trim. Voila. Goes down. Boosh. Get rid of the mud. Ugh. Clipping your stones on your sharp knife. Ugh. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. Oh, it's really coming down now. Bloody rain. I guess we wouldn't be English if he wasn't moaning. Don't like the sun, it's too hot. Don't like the rain, it's too wet. That's fairly level. Oosh. All up. Oh yeah, trim's chestnut. I forgot about this one. Voila, we are done. I'm out of breath. That was hard work, but as you can see, he's worth it. Guys, comment down below whether you like me talking in the videos or you prefer me shutting my mouth. I'd like to know. And would you like third person angle or POV? Let me know. On that note, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. See you, son, in 6 weeks. Good boy. Good lad.